For those who may not know, Christianity started in the Levant region, which is right in between Europe and Africa. When Europeans embraced Christianity, they began to popularize it, especially with their paintings of biblical figures during the Renaissance period. These biblical figures were assigned with European features, not only so the people can relate to them, but it also evolved to project an idea that the European phenotype is close to divinity. Christian art by Europeans became a powerful tool for European supremacy, especially during the colonial period. And as 21st century intellectuals in the Black community revisited this past, it tended to paint the overall history and development of Christianity in an impressive light, especially when it comes to its relationship with Africa. But let's actually follow the religious history of Christianity and find out how African people were introduced to it. The very first encounter with the continent and Jesus is actually found in the Bible in the book of Matthew, chapter 2, verses 14 through 15. So he got up, took the child and his mother during the night, and left for Egypt, where he stayed until the death of Herod. And so was fulfilled what the Lord had said through the prophet, "Out of Egypt I called my son." So as we can see, according to the Christian Bible itself, Jesus fled to Egypt, fleeing potential persecution from King Herod. The second encounter with Jesus and the continent was when Jesus was about to get crucified, and a man from North Africa named Simon of Cyrene came to help him bear the weight of the cross. Interestingly enough, according to the Bible, one of Jesus' first experiences on earth was in Africa, and one of his last encounters was also with a man from Africa.